rero twetire budget ya 2026-2027 asengenjo yo korenta magendero ase county yeito nebintu biri byose bigabana a promise ti abantu ba Kisii litanga ni kabisa ese budget ya eta gabano consider abana baito so kugenda konyora mabere gabano consider abantu baito kugenda konyora chipara ese moya edit no akora a promise ti abantu ese budget ya etire governor's budget at kurenta the ambulance which will give all our sub-counties the sort of Konya that will promote heritage issues the same county. We go in there among the Munyakunyanyola, but more important, Ringa in Tumuna by honorable members, we are ready to support the governor. A singing chenene, about the way to Manore, Amagendro, Bajor, the Tison, remember for. The governor for in the revolution. This is the last budget. This is the last budget for this period. In the budget, your moerio to your colleagues. After maybe get 28 years ago. But for now, this is our last budget. And the total we have 90 walls. I'm again to today we were discussing in the assembly magendora to korka ne bitajo biari mi machare mi nanda ba nai jiba ba ko da maju sadia magendra na tu ajbe kire it is not for us magendra na ya ba nai ebinto biri birende the case is about your sources biamono ya saba seseni